Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. Today I'm gonna purchase my riding gear. I'm at Riders Planet, Karolbag outlet. I mean, when I was purchasing my bike, someone suggested me to visit Riders Planet. So I'm here today. हेलो भैया, बढ़िया, आप कैसे हो? मतलब आपके पास राइस का भी नहीं मिलता?
राइस का सर एक्सक्लूसिव स्टोर पे आएगा आपका, और
राइनॉक्स का?
कुछ इश्यूज थे सर उस कारण से।
अच्छा जी, मतलब आपके वेबसाइट पे तो थे ना, इसलिए मुझे लगा कि मिल जाएगा। कोई ना, लेट्स सी क्या मिलता है। This is the Riders Planet, guys. Literally, they have everything. You can see they have jackets here, and this side is completely helmets. To be honest, I don't have much knowledge on riding gears and all. I mean, I have watched few videos because this is my first time purchasing one. I was staring at the manuals to see what the features they offer. She said, like, did you get something from manuals? I said, a little bit. I did my research recently, so I'm getting a little. So she came to help me with features that offer and also the type of the armors the company provides. After exploring all the options they have, I choose to go with this Riders Touring proper gear. These are Riders Rover touring pants made up of breathable mesh, so that you get good air ventilated during hot air conditions and all. They come with the cargo pockets to keep something in them. Also, all the armors are level 2 from Safe Tech. You will get armors on knees and also thighs. Also, the good thing here it is you get tailbone protection. It's really good. So this is Riders Rover touring jacket. It comes with all the armors, back, elbows, and shoulders. Also the chest. All of them are from SafeTech and level 2 armors. It also gives lumbar support, belt, and hydration bladder pop. I have tried Riders Rover touring pants. The fit is really good. Comment below how it looks on me. Also, I asked him to get a Riders Rover L size jacket, as there is no one here. He is getting that. We'll try that as well. So finally, the jacket is here. Let me try the jacket, and this is how it is. Let's put on the zip and try. Yeah, quality is good. I mean, it's not that premium, but yeah, in budget segment, and if you're beginner and wanted to try some touring jackets at the beginning only, you can go for this. Definitely, I would suggest. So finally, it's time to explore the main item in riding gear, which are riding boots. They have different options here, like Axor, BBG, Clan, Rida, Koda, which are some good brands. Also, Vorazo they have, which are the boots I'm planning to go. Even though I'm exploring other options as well, but I'm already fixated on something after going through many reviews and also things. So I asked them to get Orazo Picus waterproof model They come in both waterproof and water resistant. Water resistance, I don't think so it's that much use. So I'm trying waterproof 10 size, and I think it fits good on me. Yeah. So it also covers till the leg from toe. It provides steel toe, not the TPU protection. It's really good look wise. It also matches with my outfit because I'm going for all black, right? Even though they have little bit yellow, but it will match with my riding gear. Finally, I'm done with the boots, and I think I'll go with this. After the shoes, my eyes went on to the bags part. I thought of exploring some tank bags because it's in my mind to get some. She said that this Vitera Oxus, you can have a separate space to keep the phone and you can use the touch in it. So it comes with good space as well. And also I was checking the rain liner, it comes with it, and they are providing it. Also it costs around 2399. She asked someone and said they will also provide discount, and this is non-magnetic one. They also have magnetic one. Maybe I'll go with it because my Himalayan tank, so it's magnetic one. I don't need to put straps every time. Let's see other options. Maybe if I find something good. This is from Scala. It's very, I mean, less in size. The volume is, I think, less than 10 or so. So I was not even trying to open it. Just saw it and I rejected it. Also, I asked another option, something like after unmounting it from bag, you should have some strap to carry it on your shoulder, or right. I asked her, so she said like you have this option, but it's less in volume, and also she said in less price you'll get it. I mean magnetic as well in it, and also it has the shoulders what is it, strap. She showed me that you can easily use this magnetic ones, but as this is a Chinese item and it's not some good company from good company, and there will be no warranty on it as well. So I'm even though I'm checking in it, but I'm not gonna go with this definitely. Let's get some protection for our hands, which are the main part to handle the bike, because if your hands are cold and freezed, I face this a lot during my rides. While riding on rental bikes, I don't used to have proper riding gloves. So I'm exploring some options here. These are from Rida, so let's try them. I think these are of L size. Most probably they will not be good fit on my hands. My hands are a little big, so yeah, it's too tight on me. Let's get the next size on them, and I'll go with Rida only because my riding jacket and pants are from Rida. I don't know the name of this glove model, but this looks good, like the protection and all. After dressing up, this is how riding gear looks on me. Comment below how I'm looking, and it gives me a feel like I'm wearing Iron Man suit. Here comes the hardest part, which is billing. I hope this part would have skipped, but they will not be allowing me to take those things out without paying. So let's pay for them, and yeah, spending some good amount on riding gears. I would suggest to other people as well, because without riding gears, it's definitely not safe to ride bikes. Maybe you're riding in some high speeds or someone is riding wrong. However, if something happens, you are the one to suffer. So get some good riding gears. That's my suggestion. So finally billing is done, and also I added that hydration bladder because while riding it's easy to have that, and that's really my fantasy. Like I saw many riders having that. Just the main thing is that many riders is having that and I want to have it. That's the one silly reason. Finally it's done guys, my riding shopping, and I'm waiting for tailback. Let's see, because they have Vitera's tailback, but it doesn't look that comfortable for me because there is no like extra. Suppose I have some extra luggage on me, so I want to keep it on the tail, but there is no holder, so I didn't take it. I'll purchase it from online.
Mainly, the thing I came for my riding gear, it's completely that. And this is all for the video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and support the channel. See you in the next vlog. Until then, take care. Bye. Signing off.